Yes, so this is an Indesit washer dryer, and today we're going to be doing a wash cycle on it. So I'm currently loading the clothes inside. This is the same washing machine we had. That's where my father's mother took it when she's out the boss one week. They're not really much like it. So thank you. So this is an Indesit. The model is iwbc6125. That's it. So this is has 3 compartments. There's our program list. You can see a program list. So this is the drying function. These are the degrees. See a bit of it. I did bucket today. It's still wet. Okay, though. Still okay. So this is your drag one. Maybe yes. Oh, shit, buddy. Oh, shit. So let's push it a bit inside, close it up, and open it. So we could just a dry more option. Maybe yes. Yeah. Okay. Is that it? I don't think so. So I can close the door. Maybe we'll put on program 4. Maybe cold will be enough. 40 degrees. So there we go. Maybe eco time. No eco time. Click eco time. Would you mind? So let's keep going. So, this drum is really heavy. It's really heavy. Now 6 kilogram washing, 5 kilogram drying. The rubber is a bit dirty. You can see there's some water left over. Yeah. I'll turn on the machine for now on. So this is the lock, people. So this is you can see this an Indesit on the doors. So the handle works perfect. So let's see, maybe my mom will give me a bit close to wash. Yep, so this is Indesit. Like, what's your mind yet? So is the detergent ready, or I should put it in the drawer?
Yeah, the drawer in the drum.
Drum, yeah.
Ja ty to stawiasz na YouTube.
Da. So go inside. Good. Okay, is there anything else, or is it done? Maybe that's it. We can close the door. Yeah, so we can turn on a machine. Maybe a program. So we have these kind of programs. Eco time doesn't work, but I just went back. Yeah, so these are the flashlights. But 3 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours is the spin, and that's it. So we can like 3 hours for the cycle, 6 hours for the cycle, 9 hours for the cycle. If you accidentally put too much detergent. for the drawing process, it doesn't have any timer, but it could say 12 anyways. So they spend this. Yes. Turn on the machine. I'm gonna program maybe 4. Maybe that will be enough. Maybe.
Jeste 4. Pa gledaj gdje ti je kadar, Mirane. Gledaj. Ne snimaš. Pa zato.
4. Maybe 40 will do. Right.
Yes, 40 will do.
And push start. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out our videos after if you subscribe, because we're almost at 7. I'm already at 60 subscribers. Bye.